Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your student e-book, your electronic book through Clever. Alright, so let's get started on that, and what will happen once we get there, you will be doing these activities in the electronic book. Alright, and then that means you only have a few activities that are attached that you have to turn in, because everything else I'll be able to access through your electronic book. Alright, so here we go. So the first thing you need to do is log into Clever. Now my Clever looks different than yours. Once you've logged into Clever, you're going to find this tab, HMH Science, and it should be underneath your Science tab. So scroll down to Science tab, and then you'll find it there. And when you click on that, some of you may come up with a sign for entering Microsoft Office. All right, now hopefully it'll look like this. I haven't seen this yet. I've just heard about it. So the way you do that is the school district has actually made an account for every student. So you actually have Microsoft 365 and you have access to PowerPoint and Word and all these things. So how do you get into this? You type in your student number at luhsd.net, and that's going to be your username. Okay, student number at luhsd.net, and then your password is going to be your birthday, just like normal, year, month, and day. So if you type in student number at luhsd.net in this, you should be able to get in. At least I've had success with my students doing that so far. Once you get in, then you are going to find, once you get in, you will have this page in front of you. All right, and so these are all the units that we're going to be in. Now, to navigate this easily, we're going to go over to this tab here, Table of Contents, and we're going to click on Selected. Okay, so here are all the units. So you are in Evidence for Evolution right now. If you are in assignment 22, you'll be in Structure and Function, etc. So we're going to click on this Evidence for Evolution, and that brings up all the segments that we need for Evidence for Evolution. So we're going to start off at this opening phenomena, so you can just open there. See this wonderful picture of a bee. All right, so what we need to know is what things do we need to do here. So over here is Contents. So over on this left-hand side, click on Contents, and you'll see all these different things for it. All right, so I'm going to bring up our assignment sheet so you can see how this fits in with that. So here's our assignment sheet. So what you can see is that we have our opening phenomena, which is right here, and we have our geological, we're not going to do the language development, you don't have to worry about that, and then we have our geological time. So in this assignment, assignment 12, you're going to be doing geologic time. In assignment 14, you'll do this one, and assignment 15, and you'll be doing this one, 15 and 16. So we're just worried about this one, so we're going to go ahead and click on this one. And here's our different things. So you'll be doing the Engage, the Explore and Explain 2, the Geologic Time, the Explain and Explore 3, which is right here, History of the Earth. And then below that you'll have this checkpoint that you have to do, all right, which is right here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start off on the anchoring phenomena, the unit phenomena. So I can click on that. Oh, look, it's right here in front of me. Yay. All right, so we go down, and here's your unit phenomena, and you're going to be able to type and get right in here and do stuff and put your response right there. All right, so that's going to take us down. So that'll be it for that. Then you can go to the next thing, which is language development, which we don't have to do. All right, so we go to the next thing on that. So that's our sedimentary rock. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go through this, and you're going to answer all of these predict questions. You're going to answer all of these questions here. The determine relative age, you don't have to do. Fossil formation. You'll answer this here. So you do all of those things that you can click on. You do not have to do the hands-on lab. You click on this for the cause and effect. And so you would do all of those activities. You do not have to do the collaborates, right? So you can click on these other things as you go through too, like the vocabulary. Gives you the definitions of them. So that's your interactive book, and then I'll be able to access it from my end, and I'll be able to see your responses. So when you get done with this one, you can go to the next one, and it'll bring that up. You can do that, and then you can do the next one. And then when you get to the final thing, the self-check, you're just going to do the checkpoints. And the questions will come up and you just fill them in. All right, if you have any further questions, please have no hesitation to talk to me, your science teacher. Call me or text me. Have a nice day.